welcome back to my channel. I'm Alicia, or Whimsy Alley Cosplay around the internet, and today I just wanted to share my fan mail unboxing from this month. I'm sure you've seen these before if you've been on my channel before, but Fan Mail box is a bi-monthly subscription box catered towards geek girls. So there's been some really exciting past themes, like Medieval Mayhem was the last one I got, and there was like a really fun October like witchy themed one, and so I'm always looking forward to it. But when I saw that this month's theme was like fandom food themed, that it was called Eat, Drink, and Be Merry, I wasn't quite as excited, but I decided to give it a shot, and I'm glad I did. Normally I try to open these boxes on camera, but this time I just wanted to open it up and get an idea of what was in there before I filmed and talked about it. That way I had some idea of what to say going in, I guess. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. It opens up. I tried to put everything back the same way in, so we'll see how this compares. But ta-da! So yeah, Eat, Drink, and Be Merry was this month's theme, and they shared little sneak peeks like throughout social media leading up to it, and I was pleasantly surprised for like not being very excited going into it. Like, I guess I just didn't know what fandom food things, without actually being food, like could come in a box. So first up this is kind of cool because I grew up with like the Archie comics growing up. Like, I read all of them because my grandma had them at her house, like that all my dad and his brothers all read. And then when the Riverdale TV series started, it's a lot more dramatic than I remember the comics ever being, but I was pretty excited to get these Pop's Chocolate Shop, like little oven mitts or hot plates, or I forget what those are called. But yeah, I thought this is, well, one's gone forever. But this is actually useful. I'll use these, and there's two of them, so I might be able to share with my Riverdale watching buddy. Next, this is a fan mail exclusive, and this is themed after Mushu, like the little lucky dragon spirit from Mulan, and they're metal chopsticks, and they've got, let's see how good my camera will pick up, but they've got little inscription of Mushu at the top there, and yeah, I'm quite excited for these actually. I want nothing to complain about so far. Next in the box, this might be noisy for a second, bear with me. Okay, so, oh, okay, that smells new plastic. But this is a lunchbox featuring the logo of the Three Broomsticks, the eatery of the Harry Potter world, wizarding world. And yeah, it's a nice insulated lunchbox. Sadly, I eat way more food at any given time that could fit in here. And I don't pack a lunch that often. Like, I usually eat at home, but I'm sure I can come up with something cool to use this for. I'll follow up on that if I come up with anything. And then last but not least, I think this is what I'm most excited for actually, is the Fandom Foods. So it is a recipe book just featuring foods from different pop culture movie things throughout the years, and I'm excited to try a few of these. You can see here they have like drinks, breakfast, appetizers, soups, full entrees, desserts. So there's a few I'm excited to try, like lembas spread from Lord of the Rings, and I mean, I'm always good for dessert, but Sansa's lemon cakes from Game of Thrones. I haven't actually looked at how intensive these recipes are. Let me see. Usually if a recipe requires more than like 5 steps, I'm kind of done. But so just looking at the lemon cakes specifically, for example, it's got these ingredients look rather attainable. And then, oh yeah, it's just half a page of directions. I can handle that. But yeah, I think this is the piece, this and the chopsticks are what I'm most excited for out of this box and will probably get the most use out of. Let's just wrap it up now. That is this month's box. It looks like next month's theme is going to be Reigning Royals. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!